Hello students, in this video we are going to learn one of the important short answer question from the chapter quadratic expressions. Let us see question. Determine the range of the expression x square plus x plus 1 whole divided by x square minus x plus 1. So as I said, range problems are very important in this chapter. Okay, do practice. So every range problem will go with naming of the given function as something y. So let x square plus x plus 1 by x square minus x plus 1 given expression must be named as something y. Next you can go for cross multiplication. We have to multiply each and every term by y. So what do you get? Y into x square, yx square minus x into y, xy plus 1 into y, y. That equals to this one I will get as it is, x square plus x plus 1. Now transposition of each and every term from RHS to LHS. Yx square minus xy plus y plus x square become minus x square plus x become minus x plus 1 become minus 1, that equals to 0. Now try to convert this equation into standard form of quadratic equation, that is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. That means we have to separate x square terms, x terms, constants like that. So we are able to see two x square terms now. If you take x square common, we left with y minus 1 into x square. Next take x common. X terms, we have two x terms now. On taking x common, we left with minus y here, minus y here, minus 1 into x. Next constants, plus y minus 1, these are the two constants, equals to 0. Let it be equation number 1. Now clearly it's in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. A, B, C. Write ABC values here. A equals to y minus 1. B equals to minus, we can take common, minus of y plus 1. C equals to y minus 1. Now x is given as real. So since x is real, y also become real. Equation 1 is a quadratic equation in terms of x, whose coefficients are in terms of y. So x is real, y is real. So overall this equation will have real roots. So you have to write that statement. Since x is real, roots of equation 1 will be real. So let's remind real roots condition. What is real roots condition? Discriminant delta greater than or equals to 0. What is delta? B square minus 4ac greater than or equals to 0. So substitute ABC values. What is B here? B value minus of y plus 1 whole square. B square means minus of y plus 1 whole square. B square minus 4 A value y minus 1 into C also y minus 1 greater than or equals to 0. Minus whole square is plus only. Y plus 1 whole square, look like A plus B whole square formula. A square plus B square, 1 square is 1 plus 2AB 2y minus 4, right as it is, into y minus 1 into y minus 1, y minus 1 whole square, y minus 1 whole square greater than or equals to 0. So write these terms same. Now minus 4 also same. Here use a minus b whole square formula. A square plus b square minus 2ab greater than or equals to 0. So y square plus 1 plus 2y as it is, minus 4. Multiply each and every term of this bracket with minus 4. Minus 4 into y square minus 4y square minus 4 into 1 minus 4 minus into minus plus 4 to the 8y greater than or equals to 0. Now like terms, y square minus 4y square become minus 3y square. Big number sign is minus. Next plus 2y plus 8y become plus 10y. 2 plus 8 10. Plus 1 minus 4 minus 3 greater than or equals to 0. Now coefficient of y square must be always positive, na? So take minus sign common. Take minus common. After taking minus common, we left with 3y square. Plus 10y become minus 10y. Minus 3 become plus 3 greater than or equals to 0. Now try to remove minus symbol. How can we remove minus symbol? Multiplying on both sides by minus, because minus into minus become plus, na? So whenever you multiply on both sides by minus symbol, for any equations sign change takes place. Sign change here greater than or equals to, na? So it become less than or equals to symbol. So on multiplying on both sides by minus symbol, we are going to lose this minus. So we left with 3y square minus 10y plus 3. Now greater than or equals to symbol change as less than or equals to 0. Now this is a quadratic inequation, na? So LHS is a quadratic expression. You have to go for factorization method. So factors, try to find factors. To find factors, we usually observe first and last terms, na? Coefficient of y square is 3 into constant is 3. We used to multiply both these numbers. So what's the result here? 9. 9. This works as the product. Then what about sum? Sum is middle term. Coefficient of y minus 10. Minus 10 is equal to sum. Now think about two numbers. Think about two numbers whose sum is minus 10 and whose product is 9. Can you guess the numbers? Whose sum is minus 10, whose product is 9? So I can say minus 9 minus 1. Minus 9 minus 1. Okay, minus 9 minus 1 minus 10. Minus 9 into minus 1. Minus into minus plus 9. Yes. So minus 9 minus 1 are the factors. So in next step, write first and last terms same. Express middle term in terms of factors. So what I can write? 3y square as it is. Now minus 10y must be replaced here in terms of factors, na? Minus 9y minus 1y means minus y. Okay, now plus 3 as it is. First and last term same, we should write less than or equals to 0. Next, from first to two terms we can take 3y common. 3y common. After taking 3y common, we left with y minus 3 3s are 9. So 9 3 we left with. Next we can take minus 1 common. We can take minus 1 common. After taking minus 1 common, we left with y. Minus we took common, more minus remain. Minus into minus plus, na? 1 into 3. 1 into 3 3. Less than or equals to 0. Overall we can take y minus 3 as the common term into 3y minus 1 less than or equals to 0. Okay. So factorization method completed. Now when I saw this equation, I would like to remind one formula in inequalities, that is x minus alpha into x minus beta, here less than or equals to 0 formula. We should remind. We have x minus alpha into x minus beta less than or equal to 0 formula. Alpha less than or equals to x less than or equals to beta. X value lies in between. Less than or equals to 0 means x value lies in between alpha and beta. So to make use of this formula, we should convert this into this form. So for that, if you observe here x means here we should have y, but we don't have y now. We have 3y. Coefficient of y must be 1. So try to make it as 1. How can we make 3 as 1? By taking 3 common. So simple. So y minus 3 into, take 3 common, y minus 1 by 3 less than or equals to 0. Next we can shift 3 from LHS to RHS. So After negative sign here we have 3. After negative sign here we have 1 by 3. Of these two values, alpha must be less than beta. Of these two values, 1 by 3 is a smaller value. Na? So assume this as alpha and this as beta. This become alpha, this become beta. So that's why write this term first, y minus 1 by 3 into y minus 3 less than or equals to 0. So now clearly it's in the form of x minus alpha into x minus beta less than or equals to 0. So alpha less than or equals to x less than or equals to beta we can write. So I can write here y value lies in between alpha and beta. Alpha is 1 by 3, beta is 3. So what is the problem? Determine the range. Range is nothing but maximum value, minimum value. Maximum value comma minimum value. So here this is the minimum value and this is the maximum value. So now I can write range of the given expression. Range of given expression is now minimum value we have to write here, comma maximum value we have to write here, 1 by 3 comma 3. So this is the range.